Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get ideas from your video. But before this, you need to remember one thing. You need to stay with your niche. If you do not stay with your niche, you're going to lose it. So first method is pen and paper method. This is a manual process. We can think about something about related our niche, then we can write down. If I want to create a tutorial video, what type of tutorial video should I make? This video I will write in my paper. So later I can remember this thing. This is the easiest way you can get ideas for your video. And later you can remember this. And later you can create video with these ideas. You need a deep knowledge of your niche is your foundation. You need to look trends, discussion and unanswered question within your audience. You can also create revamp old successful videos and you can create updated new version to viewers. You can think outside the box but stay with your niche. That's how you can get uncommon ideas for your videos. And now I'm going to show you some ways how you can get new ideas for your videos. So first I'm going to open my browser. And now you can see this is my YouTube. From YouTube you can also get new ideas for your YouTube video. So simply search on here whatever video you want to create, whatever idea you want to generate for your YouTube video. Some search here computer tutorial. So you can see many videos appear in my YouTube. You can go someone's channel related to your niche. If I think this channel is related to me and my videos, I'm open this channel. So I'm going to open this video. Now I'm going to open this channel.
Oh, hello friends.
But before I continue, I tell you one thing. Please do not copy someone's video. You can get ideas for this channel. You can see there are many videos. You can go those channels related to your niche. You can easily get ideas from their videos. But do not copy their content. Try to remake something or create something new. Now I'm going to open my AI. How can we get ideas from this video? So I'm going to open my keyword in here. So you can write this prompt. After write this prompt, I'm going to enter my keyword. What type of idea I want to execute with AI. So you can see it's generate ideas. So guys, you can see AI generate many ideas for my video. The part of computer RAM or turn on off connection to internet. These all are full of ideas. You can use these ideas in your videos. So in this way you can generate new ideas for video. So I'm going to open the third website in here. This is rairob.com and here you need to enter a topic. So I'm going to write my topic in here. Now I'm click on generate. It may take some time and you can see many ideas comes up. So you can choose any of these ideas and amplify in your video. So this way you can generate your ideas. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.